We've been talking about it off and on for the entire hour. That lawsuit that has been brought by Twitter against Elon Musk in the Delaware Chancery Court, where Elon Musk had come in and said, we want to have a delay in the proceedings. There's no big rush here. Well, they had a hearing today, even as we were on the air, and the judge ruled that, in fact, there would not be a delay, and she set the trial for October. Fairly expedited schedule there. To take us through what is going on, welcome to our colleague Ed Ludlow. So, Ed, what is going on?
Yeah, so we have a 5-day trial set for October. We don't have a specific date. The judge has instructed both parties to work together to find that date. Twitter had asked for September 19th. The team representing Elon Musk had asked for February of next year. And what Musk's argument was that even February of next year would have been expedited. That would have been an incredibly fast date to trial. And, you know, you see Twitter shares pushing higher off their session highs right now. But, you know, the legal experts we've spoken to assigned a high probability that Twitter would be successful in some form if they were to get an expedited trial. And they may have asked for September 19th. So October, though we don't have the precise date, is not a bad outcome for them.
So what we do in these sorts of trials, as you know, is we have a lot of discovery, a lot of document requests, often depositions, interrogatories and things like that. Will Elon Musk get access to all those data that he wanted involving the bots?
Yes and no, and that was his main argument. The reason that Musk was pushing for February is that he said Twitter had reneged or failed in their obligation under the terms of the merger agreement to hand over specific data. And if they wanted an expedited trial, Musk's argument was that his team needed time to go through that data if they were to hand it over. Twitter's counter-argument is that they did hand over a lot of data and that Musk's team never reviewed it. They also have kind of maintained this line all along. This is to do with the number of bots on the platform, right? And Twitter has this standing position that they use a mix of public and private information to determine that level of bots on the platform. They've argued all along that a third party cannot verify that data. And so their argument as it relates to this trial and setting a trial date was that a lot of what Musk is asking for doesn't exist, and hence that he does not need a delayed trial date to go through it.